So I got my nails done, but the best part is that I didn't go out. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel where it's all about DIYs and fashion. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I don't know if you guys know about it, but I just basically got into the trend of these cute little press-on nails that come custom made, and I don't know if you can see them, but I will give you a better view. But these are pink, and these are the white and pink ombre that I purchased from the Nailest Company. I'm just gonna tell you 5 reasons why I rather get my nails done at home than go out. Number 1, they're inexpensive, and the reason why I'm saying that is because I want to hold on, I'm gonna see how much I spent. Right, I got the handmade pink and white ombre set. I got it in the shape coffin, and I got it extra small because my hands are really tiny. I spent 40 bucks, and it's only because I got an extra glue, just because I know when you're opening the glue and if something happens, like if your nail do come off or whatever like that, the glue that you open to do it is like don't last as long just because you used it already. So I just bought an extra one just in case. The set was $32, and then you know, shipping was $5.49. So in total I spent $40.68, which is not bad because nowadays you're spending like almost 60 bucks on your nails. Number 2 is no pain. Like when I get my nails done in the salon, like the pain is horrible. Like I know I sound like a little biatch, but it's horrible. Like especially if you get somebody that just don't give a damn, like they would definitely, like, I don't know, like when they file down your nails, like it burns you sometimes, or they clip your cuticles, and I got sensitive cuticles and I get really like upset about that. Like, and then number 3 is that you get to stay home. Like me personally, like I said, I'm an introvert. Like I don't like to go nowhere, like if I don't have to. Like it's only on the daily basis I'd be like, oh, let's go out, or let's you know, the most I do is go out with my husband, or I go out with my sister somewhere, and that's only for retail therapy. That's only when I need to get out the house to really, like, if I really getting fed up, like getting tired of my kids. I just need some retail therapy and I'm good to go. Number 4 is definitely get to stay home. Like who don't want to stay home? Like I don't mind staying home. I know there's some people that like to go out. Not that person at all. I am not a social butterfly, no. So staying at home, a plus, especially when I have this right here. I don't even know what number I was on. And number 5 is because that the nails actually look like legit acrylic nails. Like I have no like complain about them. I really don't. My kids saw them, they just thought I went to get my nails done at 3 o'clock in the morning, because that's what I did. I did my nails literally 3 o'clock in the morning today because my kid wouldn't go to sleep. On for like a whole day already, and I feel like they're like super secure, and I had no problem with them falling off. And I'm gonna tell you the number one way to get that in this video coming up. So just stay to the end, and I will show you guys the secret of keeping your nails on for a long time. So this is everything that I'm gonna use to start my manicure nails, and everything on this table is what came in the box except for the oil, cuticle, and my cuticle oil and my nail clip. So you want to start off by just clipping your nails down, because you don't want to see your nails underneath the press-ons. So basically you just want to clip them as low as you can, not too low where they're yourself, but enough where you're gonna not see your nails underneath. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am having a hard time clipping my nails with these bootleg clippers. I don't know if the blade are like building out, but it was like the hardest just to clip off my nails, and my nails are not that hard, so I don't know what's going on. So I'm like swallowing my fear right now because I'm like showing you guys one of my insecurities, and one of them are my fingers. Growing up, they all call them sausages because they're like short and chunky. So once the clipping is all done, you want to get the nail file and start filing down the clip edges, because there's going to be some rough edges on your nail tip that you basically clipped off. So you just want to get those as smooth as possible, just because, you know, I don't know, I just would have felt weird and incomplete if I didn't. Done, you want to take the nail file again and just rub them across your nail, the top of your nail. And I don't know if it's called nail bed or what. Like, I'm super not a cosmetologist. Like, I went to school for it and I dropped out and I forgot all the terms, so I don't know if it's a nail bed. But you're gonna just file through it and then also buff it with the buffer. And your goal is to basically get your nail bed or the top of your nail rough, just so it could have enough, like it will stick. I don't know the like science behind that, but I know if it's the rougher it is, it will stick longer. It will stick better. So yeah, and then you want to take the stick. I don't even know what this thing is called, but I call it the stick. And you just use it and push it back. Your cuticles, push your cuticle back. And I know you can cut your cuticles, but I'm not gonna cut my cuticles because I don't know, and I don't think that my cuticle is grown enough, or I have that bad of a cuticles to cut. So I just pushed them back as much as I could, and I'm gonna take this alcohol pad and I'm going to use it and just wipe down and clean off the surface of my nails, so my nails will have a nice clean surface, you know, to stick on. All the oils and everything is going to be absorbed from this alcohol pad, so it could just be a clean placement. And then now I can push the glue on. You don't want to put too much glue on so it could overflow on top of your nail to mess up the press-ons, but you want to put just enough, and then you want to hold on to it like I do. Like, I hold on to it for like 10 seconds and then I let off. But I did make a oopsies on my So if you guys don't know, I am doing this at 3 o'clock in the morning, and the reason why I'm doing this at 3 is because I was supposed to do it when my daughter went to sleep, and she wound up not going to sleep when I wanted, and I wound up going to sleep with her. Long story short is because when you go to sleep, you're not washing your hands, you're not putting your hands into any moisture after you're done. So it will give a long lasting effect if you do your nails at night and go to sleep, because you want to not get your fingers wet or your nails wet from like 9 hours on. So that's a number one tip you want to follow if you want long lasting nails when you do. I did make a oopsies on my thumbnail, and I had to use the pointy part of the stick that I used to push back my cuticles, and I just basically just went across it and it took it off. You don't want to smear it with your hands. Whatever you do, do not smear the glue with your hands, because you're definitely going to get it on your nail. And voila. So basically I'm just going to fast forward through this, because whatever I did on my left hand, I'm going to be doing it to my right hand. So after I put on all the nails on my hands, I'm basically going to use the cuticle oil to put on my cuticles and rub them in. And I bought this cuticle oil from Amazon. I'm going to have the link down below. It smells so good. Like, I would honestly love to have this fragrance in a mist and spray it all over me, but it's only for my cuticles. So I'm just going to be massaging my cuticles to make sure it penetrates. The oil penetrates through my skin to give me that nice manicure, salon, acrylic, done, snatched up fingers look. I don't even know if that makes sense, but basically just give it that nail salon look. So it looks like I went somewhere and got this done. And that's it, guys. I hope you like this tutorial on how I did this with the nail from Nailest Company, and I will definitely be buying again. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hopefully the next video don't be this chaos.